Hello, this is Tracy Carr here with your first training video on your coaching office. So welcome to GoalShaper and being one of our GoalShaper coaches. I'm very excited to show you around the back end here so that you can see what you can do from your coaching office and how you can better serve your clients. So you'll see on your dashboard after you log in that you've got three areas here. This middle area, this little orange area, don't worry about that because it's all about customization. It's all about adding your logo, about creating your own coaching language for your clients, and about creating your own categories for your clients. So this is a service that we provide as a separate consultancy. So there's no need to look here. In fact, I would say please don't look here unless you have reached out for that consultancy, because there are complications with the configuration process and we have to do that for you after consultation. So the button that you're looking for is this top one, the green area, and this is where you add your users. So it's a very simple form, top right, green, add user. And what we invite you to do first is set yourself up as a user, because it's going to be much easier to coach your clients on how to set goals, why they should set goals, and how to manage their time and why they should manage their time if you're using the system yourself. So it's a really simple form, it's self-explanatory. Once you've created that, then you hit the green button at the bottom, create user. And obviously, once you've done that, you'll have a whole list of your users or clients inside your coaching office. Now, I'm going to go all the way back to the start in my coaching office, which is page 12. And as you can see here, Tracy Carr was the first person to be added into this coaching office. So there are three options here: update, change password, and the one you're looking for is progress preview. Click that, and now you can see into the back of your client's progress. So you can see annual plans, you can see quarterly milestones, you can see their monthly compass scores. Let's just have a look at September there. My wheel is all skew-whiff because I have a tech startup, so it would be. We're not looking for perfect round if we're coaching people. We're looking for them to be aware of what's going on that month. And you've got their whole list of quarterly milestones, their monthly goals, the monthly compass, and their annual plan. So if you were like me, you will have lists of paper and folders and files everywhere where you keep your client records. Now, all of a sudden, you have a very easy to manage coaching office where you've got everything in the same place, and all of your client progress will be inside this coaching office under this. You can see them come up as a list here now, so I can just click into there and see my clients' progress previews very quickly and very easily, instead of having to find that file, find that piece of paper to find out what the last session notes were, and even back to what did we agree at the start of our coaching relationship. It's very important to have those coaching records for evidence of the return on investment for your coaching. Now, the other thing that you can do inside your coaching office is upload documents. Again, this is very important that you keep coaching notes for your coaching sessions, and you're obviously keeping those in written form or audio, so you can upload those with this little button in the bottom left-hand corner called Upload Document. In fact, you can upload audio or paper to there, and you can keep all of your client coaching notes inside your coaching office here. If you would like to share training resources or coaching resources with your clients, then again, you can upload them into here, and then you share them via this little share arrow at the side here, which will bring up the list of all of my clients, and I just pick whichever one I want to send it to. And in fact, I could send it to all if I wanted to. So that's a neat little feature, which again is about you keeping everything in the same place, digitized, not on paper, so that you don't lose it, so that if your hard drive goes, you haven't lost all of the very important documentation that you need to properly coach your clients. So the other part about Coaching Office is that if you're a member of our sister organisation, which is Coach Development Community, then you can click the button called Keep the Momentum Going, and you log in here, and you've got all the resources here that you will ever need for yourself or your clients under personal, professional and business. There's a ton of resources in here which you can download, you can reshape, you can even brand it as your own, and then of course you share it with your users here inside your Coaching Office. When you share it with your clients, it will show up on their side of the software. So all I want to do now is to ask you please to set yourself up as a user, and once you've set yourself up, please let me know. We will then send you the second video, which is training on how to use the functionality of GoalShaper. And please bear in mind that most of the functionality in GoalShaper has been built for your clients and for you to enjoy, so that you can save time and reduce overwhelm and hit goals faster.